What child doesn't love toy cars? Kids who love cars tend to have an obsession with cars that lasts well into adulthood in many cases. That's why so many adults are happy to buy their favorite little ones a new car for their next birthday or Christmas. These days you can find a variety of different kinds of toy cars, from branded versions of real-world vehicles such as the classic Camaro or Ford Mustang to more unusual small vehicles like microcars and even quadcopters that look like flying remote-controlled cars. The world of toy cars is broad, and there are plenty of unique options out there if you know where to look. Here is a list of some of the most exciting toy cars we could find. Micro RC cars. Although you might initially think of large, gas-powered vehicles when you hear the term toy car, the term actually covers a range of different vehicles, even tiny ones like micro RC cars. These miniature RC cars are small enough to fit in the palm of your hand and are controlled from a distance with a small controller that the driver typically holds in one hand. These can be a lot of fun if you have a large enough surface like a table or a floor to drive them on. These toys are especially great if you have younger kids who are still trying to get the hang of the larger vehicles. They're easy to use and are totally safe for young kids without the risk of injury that larger, more realistic toys might have. Remote control toy cars. One of the most common types of toy car that you'll see is the remote control car, essentially a scaled-down version of a real car that kids can drive around with a handheld controller. These are usually made to look like real cars, everything from the design of the body to the coloring and decals on the exterior can be designed to look just like the real thing. Kids can drive these on any hard, flat surface such as a driveway, paved path, or even a sidewalk. This can be a lot of fun, and it's a great way to get some exercise while playing. These realistic-looking remote control cars are great for kids of all ages, and they make a great gift for pretty much any occasion. Retro toy cars. If you're looking for a truly unique toy car, you might consider going with a retro design from the past. There are a number of classic toy cars from the distant past that are still popular today. In particular, toy cars from the 50s and 60s, such as the Hot Wheels or the Corvette, can make really unique gifts for kids. These cars have a retro, old-school look to them. Some are designed to look like scale models of real cars from that era, while others are totally unique designs. They're not the most modern toy car on the market, but they're definitely a lot of fun. If you're buying this type of toy car, it's a good idea to make sure that it is still in stock. These retro toys are becoming increasingly collectible, which means they're harder to find. RC construction vehicles. If you want to take things to the next level and give your child a toy car that they can use to actually build something, you might want to consider buying them an RC construction vehicle. These RC vehicles are designed to look like large construction and farming vehicles, perfect for imaginary play. These are fun because kids can use them to actually build things with their hands, and then drive the vehicle over their creation once it's finished. Because these toys are remote controlled, they're really easy to use and have no risk of injury or damage to kids or property. These are great for kids who like construction vehicles or kids who like to build with their hands. Plus, you can use them to help your child build and improve their imagination. Flying toy cars. Flying remote control toys have been around for a while, but recently there has been a growing trend in flying toy cars. These toy cars look just like miniature cars, only they have wings that allow them to fly like miniature airplanes. These toy cars are great for kids who love flying toys and airplanes but would like to be able to use those types of toys on the go. Flying toy cars are great for kids who like to use their imagination and play with toys that allow them to go places and do things that they otherwise couldn't. Conclusion. Toy cars are a vibrant and exciting toy that many kids enjoy playing with. The toy car market is ever evolving and there are a lot of different types of toy vehicles available for kids. From retro designs to miniature RC cars, there are many unique options to choose from. Whether you're buying a gift for a child or for yourself, there is a toy car out there for everyone.